In this Hostinger WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to install WordPress on Hostinger step by step from start to finish. If you don't already have Hostinger, I provide a link in the description with a coupon code so you can save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name on select annual plans. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's get started with the Hostinger WordPress tutorial going over how to install WordPress on Hostinger. I'm here in the Hostinger dashboard on the home page. You'll see the web hosting plan you have purchased. If you haven't already set up your web hosting plan, you'll see it says Setup. Click the Setup button. If you see the button says Manage and you want to install WordPress for another website, subdomain, or anything else, I cover how to install WordPress on Hostinger via these steps a little later in the video. You'll now be on the Who is this website for page. Select the one that fits your needs. You can also click Skip at the bottom if you don't want to put any of this information. Next, you'll be on the Create or Migrate Your Site page. Select the one that fits your needs. I'll select Create. It'll now ask you the tool you want to use to build your website. You'll see WordPress in the Hostinger Website Builder. You can also skip at the bottom if you prefer to use something else for your website. For this tutorial, I'll choose WordPress. I'll click the Create with WordPress button. Next, you want to input your login details for your WordPress account. Next, you want to select what type of website you want to build. If you don't see a selection for your business or type of website, click Other. Next, it'll ask you how you'd like to start building your website. You can select between pre-built templates and standard themes. You can also click Skip at the bottom to skip this part. Here's an example of both choices. If I select pre-built templates, it'll list out a few templates you can choose from. I'll click Standard Themes to show you an example of standard themes. Here are a few standard themes you can choose from. You can also click Skip if you want to choose your WordPress theme within the WordPress dashboard. Next, it'll ask you if you want pre-selected plugins for your website. You also have the option to skip this step at the bottom. I'll keep the Yes, Please Selected. Next, it'll ask you what domain name you'd like to choose for your website. If you went with an annual plan, you'll get a free domain name. Type in the domain you want. You'll see the domain name is free. If you aren't sure on a domain name now, you can select the Use Temporary Domain at the bottom. This will give you a temporary domain that you can use to create your site while you think about a domain name you'd like to go with. Next, you'll be on the Where's Your Website Target Audience. From the drop-down, you can select a data center that is closest to you, closest to where the most business will be done for your business. Next, it'll now begin installing WordPress for you automatically. Once it is done, you'll be taken to Hostinger in the website dashboard. You'll see the admin panel button with the WordPress icon at the top. Click this and it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. Another way to install WordPress is from the Hostinger dashboard homepage. You'll see your hosting account listed. Click the Manage button. Over on the left side menu, find Websites and click it. From the drop-down, you'll see Auto Installer. Click this. You'll see WordPress listed. Click the Select button. You'll be on the Install WordPress page. Enter the website title you want for your site, the email, username, and password you want to be used for the WordPress install. Click the Next button. Next, you'll see Select Application Version. I recommend keeping what is selected. You can change it if you'd like. You can select your language. Where you see the PHP version showing from the drop-down, you can change the PHP version if you'd like. Next, you'll see Application Updates. I recommend keeping what is recommended selected. Feel free to select any of these. Click the Install button. It'll begin installing WordPress. Find the Edit Website section, and you'll see the WordPress Admin Panel button. Click this to be taken to your WordPress dashboard. That's how to install WordPress on Hostinger. I hope you enjoyed this Hostinger WordPress tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.